Have you ever wondered how to choose the right accent color for any accent wall in any of the rooms of your home? Well, today I'm going to give you some interior design tips and ideas on how you can achieve that. Keep watching. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. If you're new to this channel, well, let me give you a warm welcome and let you know that I'm an interior designer, decorator, and DIYer who wants to help you make your home your favorite place on earth. So please consider subscribing. And if you've been following this channel for a while, well, welcome back. Today we have a very exciting topic. I'm gonna give you some interior design tips and ideas on how you can create a beautiful accent wall in any room in your home. If you've been following for a while, then you know that I'm absolutely in love with color, and working as an interior designer, I always encourage my customers to go bold, at least with one wall in their home, because it really creates a more luxurious feel in any space. All right, you guys, so tip number one to finding the right wall for an accent wall in your home is find a wall that stands out. The way I do it in any room that I put an accent wall in any home is, as soon as I walk into a home, the wall that stands out the most to me should be your accent wall. It is the same that I do with larger statement pieces in any home. They should always be in the wall that really calls your attention or draws your eye to. When you walk into my home, the very first wall you see is the wall behind me, so therefore I decided to do that as an accent wall. So try that, walk outside of the room, any room that you're trying to put an accent wall, walk into the room, and whatever wall calls your attention first, that should be your accent wall. So that is my tip number one, and trust me, it will be very helpful. Picking the right wall for an accent wall can be hard and confusing sometimes, but as I explained to you earlier, the very first wall that sticks out to you or catches your eye, that should be your accent wall. At least you should try it to be your accent wall. As you guys can see, and I've talked to you about it, I picked this wall right here behind me as our accent wall here in our dining room, not only because it is the first wall that you see when you walk into the room, but also because it is the room with the most light in the house. So therefore I dare to be a little bolder with the color, because there's enough light around here to make it stick out and not make the room look heavy or dated. So I also love the way the black wall it looks like. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think about this bold move I made. All right, you guys, so I am doing finishing touches with a brush right here. I love the way the little orchid turned out. I cannot wait to show you. But right now, I'm just gonna touch those little spots that I can see so it looks finished, and then stay tuned for the reveal. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, so now that we've decided which wall we're going to use as an accent wall, the tip number two I can give you is consider the lighting. If there is plenty of natural light in your room, then you can definitely go with the warmer tones or the darker tones. If there's not enough natural lighting in your room, but you have plenty of mood lighting, I really recommend you go with the cool tones or the lighter tones of color. The reason why is because that's going to help your room either look bigger or smaller and look more proportionate to your scale of your home. So I really recommend to consider those things. Lighting is very important when it comes down to choosing a wall accent color. When I decided to do an accent wall here in our bedroom, I had to really consider the lighting, you guys. There's not much natural light coming through the window I have right next to me, so I had to keep it as neutral and light as possible to make the room look bigger. The other thing that I considered was the bedding. It was going to be gray and neutral and a lot of white to make the room look airier and bigger, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. The other source of inspiration was a piece of artwork right behind me. It has a lot of gray tones and dark tones, and it really pops from that wall. And as you guys can see, also the lamps right here, I had to keep them as neutral and light as possible to make the room look bigger and cohesive, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think. All right, so tip number three on how to choose the right color for an accent wall in any room of your home is consider the home decor you already have in the particular room you're putting that accent wall. In your living room can be your area rug, your accessories, your pillows, anything that has color or hues in it, your artwork perhaps, and in your bedroom could be your bedding, your pillows, your area rugs, and any other accessories you may have in that room. It is really fun to play with color when it comes down to accessorizing, and to show you how I did in my guest room, let's head that way. All right, you guys, so I am sitting in our guest bedroom, and for this room, we chose a beautiful blue color. Now, the things that I took in consideration here was the bedding, because it is done in blue and white, and also the carpet, as well as the artwork. It is a really small room, and it has a big window which reflects a lot of light, which really allows me to go with a dark color, and also consideration that the wall is really not that large, and it makes the room look cohesive, and it makes the room really well put together. I absolutely love blue and white, as you guys know. So the bedding really had a lot to do with the color scheme, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this blue and white room. Moving on to tip number 4, and that would be choose good quality paint. I cannot stress this enough for you guys because it really does matter. The quality of the paint matters on how it's going to spread on your walls, how fast it's going to dry, and the coverage that we're going to have from it. I really think that if you buy good quality paint, you will save yourself not only money, but time, and the end result will be absolutely beautiful. Also, take advantage of all of those help provided by all of the places where you buy your paint. Home Depot has beautiful stands where you can try and sample colors, and also they have some booklets and brochures that you can take home. So if you're scared to try a bold color, then take those brochures, take a swatch it on your wall, let it dry, try in different lightings, and that will definitely help you to choose the right color for your accent wall. So take advantage of all of those things and use a really good quality of paint.
A color coding of some kind, right?
Well, I like...
Otherwise, it's going to tell you D74, D73. So the lower the number, the lighter the shade. So this is the high number, darker shade. But this is a starting number. So in theory, shouldn't this be the darkest one?
Yeah.
So why is this one darker though?
Okay, so tip number 5 to choose the right accent wall for your home is stick to your favorite colors. Now, those colors can be found on your wardrobe and your home accessories and things that we use in the daily. Open your wardrobe and look at the colors that you have in there. I can tell you that if I was to do that right now, the main colors are black and white, blue and white, and some accents of color like this pink. Now, those colors can be used for accessories and accent walls, and it is the easiest way to decorate and feel comfortable moving forward with an accent wall because you know that you love those colors. All right, so another place where you can draw color inspiration for an accent wall is a big piece of artwork like you guys are seeing right here. This piece of artwork has a lot of colors in the painting, and those colors can be pulled to use in an accent wall or even accessories. So I always recommend when you're out shopping for artwork, pick something that you can draw inspiration for the rest of your home decorating. Now, that's how the brain works, and I really recommend all of my clients to do that. And actually, we have gone to their closets and opened them and just tell them, pick a color that you love from here, and that's literally the color that we put on their walls. I remember a client who we did an accent wall in red, and she absolutely loved that. It was her favorite color, and to this day, she gets so many compliments. It was in her bedroom, and she just absolutely loved it. And to this day, like I said, she sometimes writes me an email and let me know that people are still complimenting that choice, and that choice straight up came out from her closet wardrobe. So I really encourage you to try one of the colors in your wardrobe or your accessories and use it as an accent wall. Let me know what you think on the comment section below. And now for a bonus tip on how to choose the right accent wall for any room in your home, and that would be dare to be bold. I always recommend my customers to get out of their comfort zone and try something different within their home decor color scheme. And the reason why is because it is just paint, you guys. You can always paint it back. It is just, if it's just an accent wall, it's no more than 30 bucks that you're going to spend on paint and supplies. So I really recommend to be bold, dare to do something different, and if you don't like it, you can always paint it back, but at least you're gonna have that satisfaction of knowing if you liked it or not, and if you did, it's something that you would have never dared to do. So be bold with your color choices, dare to do something fun. I always try to do something as crazy as you guys can see the black wall behind me, but it really looks absolutely gorgeous, and I am so in love with it so far. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what is the boldest move you've done in your home decor or any accent wall in your home. All right, my darlings, well, that's all I have for today. I cannot believe this video went by so quick. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with a friend. Send it to them on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram and let them know what we're doing here at Ramon at Home. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the 6 tips are you most willing to use while choosing an accent wall for any room in your home. I really want to know if this was helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't seen the video where I talk to you about the decorating mistakes and how to fix them, I'm gonna link it up, or you can watch more videos right now. Thank you, and until next time, bye.